Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be looking at how we can edit the title and the axis of a chart. So we can see you have a chart here. This is a chart sheet found in this workbook, this chart new workbook. You can see the data from which the chart sheet has been gotten from. You see station, you have gas here. So let's go back to the chart, and now let's say we want to edit the title and the axis. As you can see, for now there are no the axis have no value, so if you're just presented with this, you can't tell what this data is for. So you have just a title here which has gas. Now where does gas come from? Usually there is the default is that the title comes from the heading of the second column, that is the column which has to do with the y-axis. So you can see here gas, the values for gas have been plotted on the y-axis, so that's why the title is gas. So how do you change that title? So let's say you want to change the title. What you need to do is you just have to come and click here, double click. You see you have that. You can now edit. So what can we say? We can say gas sales. Let's say gas sales. We can say gas sales against stations. And then you click. So your title is, that's your title. You can modify it anyhow you want. You can move it a little bit there. Yeah, you highlight, you can change it, the font, you can make it bold. It's really bold actually. Maybe you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. You can edit it anyhow you want. If you want to change the color, you can change the color as well. You can change it to that, or you can just put it black. Okay, so that's it for the title. Now how do you modify the x and the y axis? So what you want to do is you want to come here, up here you come to layout. And once you come to layout, you can see a lot of other things there. Now you can see axis, titles here. So let's take axis titles. So let's start with the horizontal. So let's take with the horizontal. So when we come here, you see this opens. Let's take title below axis. So you can see the title has been included here. So you can change it to whatever you want. So let's see here, we can write there, let's say station number, right? Good. Now you can increase it a little bit. You can take it to 10, make it larger, make it bold, whatever you want. So that is it. This is the value for the x-axis. This is a value. So these are station numbers. So if we want to do for the y-axis, we have to do something similar. We just have to come here. Remember, we're under layout. We come here to axis titles. We come now to primary vertical axis. So there's a vertical axis here. So we can take vertical title, we can take rotated title. Now let's take rotated title. Okay, we have rotated title, and then you can write whatever I want there. Let's see, we can say gas sales. Now let's say gas sales. So we'd say gas sales there. Gas sales, right? So we have that. We can edit it, by increasing the font. Yeah, we have that. Good. So you see, we have been able to modify our chart. We have been able to change the title, and we have been able to include the names on the axis, on both axes. That's the x the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. So that's how you do that. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful to you, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.